What's going on, YouTube? On today's video, we're going to be modifying the headliner. So, the original headliner to that red one had these speakers in the headliner. Now mine is a 2014, and these are the speakers out of the 2014. This cab is a 2014. The other cab that we installed was a 2010. Now, in 2010, they weren't even called Rams, they were called still Dodge Rams. In 2013, they switched, Dodge became its own company. Ram became its own company, so now they're just called Ram 2500s, 3500s, 1500s, but anything 2013 and up, so it's a little bit different. So the 2013 and up has these speakers inside the headliner, and the 2010 does not. Now, my headliner is really nice in the 2010, but it doesn't have the speakers, and I need to swap this wiring harness onto the other one. So what you need to do is, I actually did one of these here. I took a little cardboard, put it underneath the headliner, sprayed it with just primer, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a razor blade, cut this out, put it on the other headliner, trace it, and I know exactly where I'm gonna need to cut with a razor to get these fitted. Then I'm gonna take the wiring harness, swap out the entire wiring harness onto the other one with hot glue, and hopefully everything works out and there aren't any issues. So stay tuned and enjoy. So we got the holes cut out. Now, mental note for anybody that wants to do this in the future, make sure you get 5, 6, 7, 8 razors, okay? Because you're gonna go through razors like crazy. These headliners, they are made out of fiberglass, and you'll be amazed how quickly fiberglass will dull up your razor blades. So right now I just gotta take out these old glue, free up these holes for the old glue, and then start putting this in place, glue it in with the hot glue gun, and adjacent then to the headliner. So this is the cutout that I used. And that should dry pretty well. And I'm about to start the other side. See, they kind of have like these provisional outlines for the speakers. They just never did them. I don't know why they didn't do them in 2010. Maybe they knew they were gonna, and they just used the same headliners over and over again. Because everything else at the front matches up. So that's about it. Time to do the other side. So I got this piece cut out and this cover from the inside installed. Now I'm just gonna put it on here. Take the hot glue gun. Ooh, this thing is hot. Actually, what I wanted to do was clean up these holes a bit. Yeah, let's do that. That's where it's supposed to be. Well, the headliner's finished. I swapped the wiring harness on it, glued it down nice and tight. Well, this isn't glued down, but this is right here. Right here. Speakers are in. Also swapped out the wiring harness for the cab lights. Turns out these cab lights were homemade, and had to drill a hole for that antenna right there. So that's gonna get plugged in tomorrow. Put some RTV underneath it so it doesn't leak. So I'm gonna wait for it to dry up tomorrow. And wired up the curtain airbags. Pretty much everything that's needed to be done for the headliner to go in. So once the headliner is done, everything that's underneath the headliner, everything is finished, including the speakers, the wiring harness, everything. So once the headliner's in, I can start putting all the side pillars on, the rear seat in. I can throw the subwoofer back in. I also ordered a 10-inch Alpine subwoofer, even though these subwoofers are also Alpine. The one that I ordered has a little more oomph to it. So, and the stock amp is plenty to power it. So I'm just gonna swap that 10-inch sub out for an aftermarket one for a little more thumps. What else? Yeah, all the wiring is buttoned up, so pretty much it. Now that we got the radiator support all fixed up, I riveted these pieces out, took the old broken one off. You can actually take these apart. So I took this one out, put a new one in, and everything lines up. All the holes line up from the inside. Everything is the way exactly as it should. So next thing to do is start putting together all the radiators and all that fun nonsense. Here we are, we got all the radiators installed, all 6 of them. What a feat that was. And then I had to figure out how to sneak this wiring harness in for the headlights and the one that runs along behind the radiator support. This is for the hood latch. I do need a new hood latch because, oh, sorry for the shaky camera. If you look at this one is on point, this one's on point, and this one is off about 1/4 of an inch. So I need a new hood latch. And the hood is supposed to be showing up today. I still need one of these brackets for the headlights, and this thing is ready for some coolant and get it running, properly running. So we got this thing pretty much wrapped up for today. I threw the fender on. All the gaps seem to be lining up pretty well. I did take the door apart. Pretty much gutted the whole thing because you have to take off this handle. My handles come with a button on them, like this one right here. So this is the button to close the door, and then when you put your hand inside here, it actually opens the door. And that's pretty much it. I ordered new handles from the dealer, and they're coming probably in about 7 days. So just right in time for paint. We're gonna have all body color handles. I hate this chrome stuff, so we're getting rid of the chrome. We're getting rid of the chrome bumper, front and rear. We're getting rid of the chrome headlights, the chrome grille. Everything's gonna be body color, and body color or black. So that's kind of how I like it. I'm probably gonna keep the same color. This is kind of like a pearl silver. I kind of actually really like this color. I thought it was gonna be a lot more silver. When I got this cab, I didn't see it in person. When I bought it, it was silver. I thought it was just a dirty silver. It's been raining and stuff like that, but actually it turned out that pretty decent off-whites, off silver, not off-white, off silver. So I got a little bit of body work here to do, a little body work here. The whole truck just pretty much needs to be done over. Two doors need to be jammed, and got to swap over the rear bed. The rear bed is an actual silver, so the rear bed's gonna have to be sprayed this color. I got the rear glass in yesterday. I'm about to go to Pilkington, North America to pick up the front glass for this thing and hopefully throw the glass in today. And yeah, be done with pretty much sealing up the interior and leaving it, and the rest of the work is gonna happen after the vehicle has been painted. So now I can comfortably take it off the frame machine, knowing that everything is fitting exactly how it's supposed to be. So all the radiators are hooked up, all the hoses are hooked up. Again, guys, thank you for watching this video, and that's gonna wrap it up for today. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. I'll be glad to answer those. What else? Yeah, if you like this content, like, comment, subscribe. Every little bit helps. And make sure you hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on any more videos. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.